And this is how I spent my weekend. I had this idea and I wanted to build like an AI agent for this very wonderful idea. So I started by doing a rough sketch on how I want the tools to communicate to each other and how I actually want to achieve the whole system. It's actually a little bit bulky, but I decided to take it stage by stage. At the end of the day, I decided to build two instead of one. All right, so one is going to handle a completely different task because what I'm trying to build is going to have vendors inputting their data and all of that. So I decided to now build two AI agents. One will be handling the filling of the data, like populating the inventory. Then while the other is going to be actually taking the users' orders and all of that. So I decided to build two actually. So I started with a sketch. I did a lot of sketch, and all of them were not just working. And then, but yeah, I finally came up with one, which is this particular one. But forgive my writing; it's not that good, but yeah, I came up with that one, and we get to work. And I realized that actually the real work is not really building out the agents. Actually, we've not started that. Yeah, we started, but we've not done a lot. But it became more easier when we sketched out the whole workflow, how we want tools to communicate to each other and perform a task and all of that. So it became a little more easier. But finally, and thankfully, we were able to succeed. We came up with the first version of this AI agent that I'm working on. And this is $1 million idea, I believe so. And but we are not done yet, because actually at the end of the day we are also going to integrate like payment systems and a whole lot of things. But for this first stage, I'm so excited because like I feel like my whole weekend was so productive for me to be able to take this from idea to at least the best first version and all of that. Though we still have a little error around this first version from the fact that we wanted to update the inventory real time. We've not been able to achieve that, so that once people book or something like that, it will update the sheet that this stuff has been booked. And it's also going to give us a separate booking sheet, right? It's going to update that sheet so that we know that, okay, this thing has been booked, so that we can go ahead and fulfill the order and all of that. So, but we've not been able to work around that. And also want to also integrate it with WhatsApp so that it can be accessible through WhatsApp. So all of these things have not been able to achieve, but at least we're able to achieve the first workflow, and it's so satisfying to see. So here is my workflow, and that's how my weekend went. How was your weekend? I hope it was fine. See you guys in our next talk. Stay tuned, and I'm going to be bringing you more updates on this progress, on how we're able to build this. And I'm not going to announce the full detail or the full idea until we are done. All right, so but just follow me on this journey as I unfold to you how I built this very unique AI agents. Follow me on this real AI agent journey. Thank you guys.